Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro. Today I'm here to show you the 2019 Chaparral 381RD. The RD stands for rear living room on this one. Okay, first thing you want to notice is a tight turning radius on the front cap here. That's what this means. This will work on a short bed pickup truck. You can put a slider hitch, you can make your tight turns. That's what this cutaway is for right here. We'll go down the side here. If you notice, it has a power awning. There's an LED strip that'll light the outside. You have outdoor speakers. You have a hookup. This is for a TV if you want an exterior TV put on here, which is really nice. You have full under storage here. Lots of room. Now if you notice, I didn't have to hold this up or put any hooks on there. This is held on by a magnet. Couple things before we go inside. I'm going to show you something on here. If you look really close right here, this is Asdale. What that means is behind this wall, which is a fiberglass wall, there is a composite, so you don't have wood, luan, or anything holding onto your sidewall here. What this does is it gives you better insulation, makes the whole fifth wheel lighter. So for the size, this is a lightweight trailer. If you're looking for value, you'll get that totally on a Coachmen Chaparral. Come on in. Couple things you'll notice, there's a lot of counter space through the back here where your sink is. This does have an island, and within this island right here, which is really neat because you do have your tables and chairs set up here, you have bench seats that come out. So what this is you have an eating area here and you have an eating area there. This does come with a large pantry, so plenty of food. This is a great kitchen setup. You have the oversized microwave here. That's an oversized microwave with a bigger oven. Now underneath here you have all storage, and which is neat because you don't find this in a lot of RVs, but it does have a waste paper basket in here for your trash, and it's already built in. Now, nice thing about this is your living room area. A lot of you have seen the front living room. This is what's called a rear living room. So it's not up the steps, it's nice and flat. It becomes part of your kitchen area here. So within here, you have your two opposing couches. They both turn into beds. You have your big 50-inch LCD TV. You have a nice fireplace that does heat up this area right here. And this right over here, this is called theater seating. So they're both recliners right there. So you got a nice, comfortable living room area here, lots of conversation area. If you have people that want to come in and visit, or people who want to stay with you, you got lots and lots of room. Okay, we're going to walk back through here. You got a lot of overhead cabinets in your kitchen. So again, the kitchen is really great. It flows into the living room. Coming in through the bathroom, you have a large shower, which is something that they're coming out in with more and more of the fifth wheels now. And a lot of people love this because you need a little bit of room to move around in here. Now coming into the bedroom, this does have a king-size bed in here. You have closets on both sides, his and hers. And if you want to put a washer and dryer, it goes right in there. If not, it's more hanging storage. And you have lots of dresser drawers in through here. So this will be your dresser drawers right through here. So again, you have lots of storage, room for a washer and dryer. You have a king size bed and lots of dresser drawers for all that storage in there too. So the one thing about this bedroom is there's lots of storage. In the bathroom, you got a big shower. You have a towel rack, which sometimes they don't put in RVs. Again, the nice points to this is a big kitchen, lots of storage, lots of counter space. If you look right through here, if you're in your kitchen, you're in your living room, you're all together with everyone. A little different from a front living room when you step up and then the kitchen's kind of cut off from everyone. Okay, we'll take another quick walk outside here. Okay, we'll swing out here a little bit. A couple of things. This is a little outlet for a solar panel right here. So that'll keep your batteries charged. Most of the time people put a little solar panel on there, so they want to keep their batteries charged up. You have dual propane tanks on both sides, so you'll have one on each side. Now this has a swing out door on this side. Now the nice thing about this, if you look right back here, this has auto leveling on here. So if you look on that auto leveling, neat thing a lot of people don't know about the auto leveling is when you back up your fifth wheel into your parking spot, pull your truck out, you level it out, there's a hitch return leveling system on there. What it is, it's computerized, it memorizes the hitch height of your truck when you parked it. So you just hit that, it'll bring it right back to the level that your truck was at when you parked it there. So when you back in, you don't have to do any kind of messing around with it. You just hit that button, back your truck in, and you're good to go. So again, this right here is a 2019 Coachmen Chaparral. It's a 381 RD. If you have any questions, please contact me. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro at Guaranty RV, 541-912-4396. Thank you.